the pride of the American fleet. The most sophisticated warship ever built, equipped with devastating firepower. The USS Nimitz, the world's biggest aircraft carrier. She owes her success to a century of innovation in shipbuilding. There have been 7 key stages in the development of aircraft carrier design, and 7 key carriers. At the heart of each vessel lies a major technological advance that allowed them to increase in size. One by one, traveling up the scale, we'll reveal the thinking behind each breakthrough. 7 ingenious leaps from big to bigger into the world's biggest. The Nimitz can cruise at over 55 kilometers an hour, sail for over 20 years without refueling, and house 6,000 men and women.